Water candles can be made to decorate your home to make more beautiful. Today we are going to make colorful water candles using waxes. So let's start. At first we need wax and colors. Then you have to make powder of wax. Then you have to make the powder of the colors. If you collect the liquid color, it will be better. Then you have to make them liquid to resize the wax. You should follow the following process. Be careful to do this. When the wax turns into liquid fully, then add the colors.
Hey there, subscribe to my channel and also press this bell icon.
Then put them in any type of container carefully to resize the waxes. After a moment, it turns into a solid. Then you have to collect it from the jar and have to do the following process. Further, you have to make a hole at the middle of the wax. Then have a string through the hole. We have made 5 colorful candles. Now we decorate the candles with white colors to make it more beautiful. Our candles are ready to decorate home. Take a bowl with water and decorate it with different types of flowers, marbles, pebbles, what you have. Then put the candles on the water and set fires to decorate home.
Hey there, subscribe to my channel and also press this bell icon.
You can decorate bowl as you wish.